Hello YouTube, welcome to yet another new video on the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Holy Grail himself, Race Damaged Mood Springs, Damaged Chuck Armstrong, whatever you wish to call him. Can't believe I actually have one. So you can see that most of his left eye, or his right eye for him, is closed and his left eye is open, although barely. His mouth is open, you've got a little gap in the middle for the white bits there for the teeth. That looks like that should have been a tongue though, but instead of teeth, but this looks a bit strange as teeth, in my opinion. But anyway, he's really bent up on the side. Here, as you can see, like it's all folded up and crumpled, twisted up on both sides. Black and white scratch marks across his side. Rims and tires remain untouched for whatever reason. To the regular Chuck Armstrongs to get an idea of what the damage looks like. You can see a vast difference here. Vast difference. Compare Race Damaged Mood Springs to another car. Here's Damaged the King. Damaged the King has got recently re-released last year after, I'd say, being up there in price. Not nowhere near the levels of Race Damaged Mood Springs, of course, but still. Now people are clamouring for Race Damaged Mood Springs to get re-released. Personally, I don't think it would happen anytime soon. Before Damaged the King was re-released, I would have said it was impossible. Now I would say it's still not likely for Race Damaged Mood Springs to get re-released, but it's not entirely off the cards. Honestly, I just can't believe I've gone Race Damaged Mood Springs after so long. One of the rare cars I really wanted. It's been checked off my list, and on to the next one, I suppose. Just a really cool piece to have in my collection. Very glad to be able to get him, and yeah. So you guys know what to do. So let me know your thoughts on Race Damaged Mood Springs. Do you like him? Do you dislike him? Do you wish you got a re-release? If you got a re-release, would you buy him? Do you already own him? If so, how many do you own? Yeah, so please like, subscribe, comment, favourite, share, all that stuff, and I'll see you all in the very next video.